Assalamualaikum and warm greetings to everyone. My name is Jasmine Rania binti Mama Asri. I am 11 years old. I study at SK Tanjung Rumput, Kuantan, Pahang. I am proud to be a school prefect. I always try to be responsible and help my teachers and friends. I am also active in co-curricular activities. I am committee member of the Puteri Islam Society and the Young Doctors Club. I enjoy joining their meetings and learning about new things. I learn about health, safety, and good values. One of my biggest interests is robotics. I am very excited about making and programming robots. I have joined the robotic competition twice, both held at UMP University Malaysia Pahang at Sultan Abdullah. This competition helped me learn teamwork and problem solving. Besides robotics, I also do taekwondo. I attend training every Saturday without fail. I am now a blue belt tip holder. I once won third prize in a pattern tournament at the state level. I also joined the sparring tournament in the state level competition in Pahang. Taekwondo teaches me discipline, strength, and focus. My favorite hobby is writing short stories. I like using my imagination to create new characters and adventures. Writing helps me relax and express my ideas in a creative way. Right now, I am training very hard and trying to gather as many English words as I can because I will join the Dare to Spell contest. I want to do my best and make my school proud. My parents always give me the fullest support in everything I do. I love them so much. Their encouragement gives me the strength to do better every day. I believe that with hard work, courage, and support from my family and teachers, I can achieve my dreams and become a successful person in the future. Besides writing, I also love reading. I read a lot because I love gain more and more words every day. Like I said, I'm working very hard to achieve the best I could in Dare to Spell contest. Please pray for me, everyone. I have five favorite books that I love more. They are The Kite and the Butterfly, Anas the Meow, Be a Shark Biologist, How Nia Came to Be, and Dinosaur Dick. Today, I am very excited to share with you one of my all-time favorite books. The title of the book is Dinosaur Dick. If you heard the word dinosaur, what's come to your mind? Gigantic, fearsome creatures that once ruled the earth? That's exactly what I thought at first. However, as I dived into this book, I discovered that these dinosaurs are more than ancient beasts. They hold countless secrets waiting to be uncovered. This book takes reader on a thrilling adventure to be on the world paleontology. What is paleontology? Paleontology, the science of studying ancient life. It is packed with fascinating facts about different types of dinosaurs, their habitats, and how they became extinct. Scientists, much like detectives of the past, carefully examine fossils to piece together the mysteries of these prehistoric giants. What makes this book even more captivating? Its stunning, vibrant illustration that bring the pages to life. It feels as if you are stepping back in time, walking among towering and witnessing history unfold before your eye. The book is written by Wendy Clemson and Frances Clemson, two well-respected authors known for their hard work in science and education. First published in 2007 in China, this book continues to inspire young minds today. As the saying goes, a journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. Every book we read takes us on a new journey, expanding our knowledge and igniting our imagination. This book perfect for young readers who are curious about dinosaurs and eager to explore the wonder of the past. It is not just a book, it is adventure, a time machine that transports us millions of years back to when all the beautiful, r- magnificent creatures roam the earth. After all, the beautiful things about learning that no one can take it from you. I highly recommend this book to anyone who loves reading, exploring, and uncovering the hidden wonders of our world. Remember, a reader today, a leader tomorrow. So let's keep turning pages and feeding our minds with knowledge. Thank you.
Okay, from your book review, it seems that you really love dinosaurs. I believe that you know a lot about dinosaurs. Can you give me one dinosaur that you love most and tell us more about the dinosaur?
Yes, I can. The dinosaur that I love the most is Diplodocus. They lived 150 million years ago. Diplodocus extinct genus of Diplodocid sauropod, known from the late Jurassic of North America. The first fossils of Diplodocus were discovered in 1877 by S.W. Wilson. It was a herbivore, meaning only ate plants. Its narrow teeth arranged like a rake, which helped them strip leaves from jingo and conifer trees. Diplodocus would have had to eat all day to be able to survive on just leaf.
I heard that you like writing. What do you enjoy writing about? Can you tell me something you're written so far?
I like writing diary, especially what I did in the past. I once wrote a story about how I got the second prize in a class during the final exam in year 3. I enjoy writing because it helps me use my imaginations. I can create anything I want. When I finish writing, I feel relaxed and calm.
Anything you want to add more about writing?
Yes, sometimes in the diary I write about my feelings, like being mad, guilty. Writing helps me express how I feel when I can say out loud. Thank you.
Thank you, Jasmine.